In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote templates. Evernote templates are a great way to save time and keep your notes consistent, so let's walk through the whole process from finding a template to actually using it in your own notebook. First, open your web browser and search for Evernote templates. You can do this from any search engine. In the results, look for the official Evernote templates gallery. It should clearly mention Evernote and templates in the title. Click that link to go straight to Evernote's template gallery page. Once the gallery loads, you'll see a collection of templates organized into different categories, such as work, personal, planning, or school. Take a moment to scroll through and find a template that fits what you need, whether that's a project plan, meeting notes, or a daily planner. When you see one that looks promising, click on it to open its details page. On the templates page, you'll find an option to preview the template. Click on Preview Template to see what it actually looks like. This lets you check the structure, the fields, and the layout before adding it to your account. If it looks useful and you want to use it in your own notes, click on the button that says Import this template. You may be asked to sign into your Evernote account if you're not already logged in. After importing, the template is now saved to your Evernote account. Next, go back to the Evernote web app. Open your notes list and locate the note that was created from that imported template, or simply get ready to create a new note where you want to use the template. In the notes area, find the 3 vertical dots, usually located near the top or beside the note options. Click those 3 dots to open a menu. In that menu, look for the option that says From Template. Select this to bring up your saved templates. Evernote will now show you the templates that are available in your account, including the one you just imported. Browse through that list and click on the template you want to use. Once you've highlighted the right one, click on Select. Evernote will create a new note based on that template, fully formatted and ready for you to customize.